What real estate agents should know in Trinidad and Tobago. 10 essential tips. Are you ready to thrive in the dynamic Trinidad and Tobago real estate market? Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, this video is packed with insider knowledge to help you succeed. Let's dive in. The Trinidad and Tobago real estate market has its own unique rhythm. Understanding this rhythm is crucial for success. Familiarize yourself with current trends, property values, and popular neighborhoods. Stay updated on economic factors influencing the market, such as oil prices and government policies. Navigating the legal landscape is non-negotiable. Ignorance is not bliss when it comes to real estate law. Ensure you have a solid grasp of property laws, land registration processes, and relevant regulations. Consult with legal professionals to stay compliant and protect your clients' interests. Real estate is a people business. Your network is your net worth. Cultivate relationships with other agents, brokers, lawyers, mortgage providers, and contractors. Attend industry events and join professional associations to expand your reach. Negotiation is an art form. Mastering it can significantly impact your earnings. Develop strong negotiation skills to effectively represent your client's interests. Practice active listening, understand your client's needs, and be prepared to compromise. In today's digital age, online presence is paramount. If you're not online, you're missing out. Create a professional website and utilize social media platforms to showcase your listings and expertise. Employ SEO strategies to improve your online visibility and attract potential clients. Customer service can make or break your reputation. Go the extra mile for your clients. Provide prompt, personalized, and attentive service to your clients. Build trust by being honest, transparent, and responsive to their needs. Accurate property valuation is essential. Don't leave money on the table or overcharge your clients. Stay informed about current market values and valuation methods. Consider taking courses or workshops to enhance your valuation skills. Becoming a specialist can set you apart. Find your niche and dominate it. Consider specializing in a particular type of property, such as residential, commercial, or luxury real estate. This allows you to develop expertise and attract a specific clientele. The real estate market is constantly evolving. Never stop learning and adapting. Attend industry conferences, workshops, and seminars to stay updated on the latest trends and best practices. Read industry publications and follow thought leaders to expand your knowledge. Integrity is paramount in real estate. Your reputation is your most valuable asset. Adhere to the highest ethical standards in all your dealings. Be honest, transparent, and fair in your interactions with clients and colleagues. So, there you have it. 10 essential tips to help you thrive as a real estate agent in Trinidad and Tobago. Now it's time to put these tips into action. Don't just watch this video and forget about it. Take the first step today. Subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights, leave a comment below sharing your biggest takeaway, and visit our website to download our free guide on mastering the Trinidad and Tobago real estate market. Your success starts now.